Today's lesson is about the content of the technical exam before graduation.
今日の授業は卒業前の技術試験の内容を実際に練習してみ
Students
るという
will
こと
actually
なんですけ
practice.
ども、技
The
術試
theme
験
is
が
ginger
サバの
simmered
生姜煮
mackerel. Students will actually fillet the fish from scratch. This technique is called fillet a fish into 3 pieces. This fillet a fish into 3 pieces is the theme for the Basic Skills Certification exam at the Kyoto Culinary School. I hope the students do their best. As an instructor, I believe that basic skills are what truly matter. Today, the students are scheduled to actually fillet fish, but sharpening the knives is also important. I communicate to the students that they should prepare meticulously from the preliminary stages of the class, including knife maintenance. I also provide students with videos in advance for their preparation. They will likely take on the challenge today after thoroughly understanding the process is just as important as the result of filleting fish, so I hope the students value both the outcome and the process. Additionally, I will check whether they are not only skilled but also maintaining proper hygiene. I wish the students good luck in balancing both skills and hygiene management.
厳しくいきたいと思います。
It is important to emphasize to students that not only should they be able to clean fish beautifully, but they must also carry out the procedures carefully and reliably. Therefore, we also check whether the students can properly handle the processes and steps. By following the established procedures, the organization will significantly improve. This time, the goal is not just to pass today's exam, but rather to ensure that through this challenge, you fully understand the most important points of the fundamental techniques. If you can perfectly handle the exam content, the students will be able to approach their work with confidence. I believe they will undoubtedly level up as future chefs.
衛生ができているか、安心安全で美味しいものができているかを守りつつ、斜めに関節はどこか狙って落としてください。浮かないようにして下ろす。あとは後で待ちましょう。早く炊き上がっちゃうので、ここで取れるだけ取れたらいいです。
I will repeat, but as a chef, basic skill LS are very important. Today's theme, simmered mackerel with ginger, is a simple dish. However, from knife maintenance to heat treatment and plating, the dish, you must take care of various elements, such as heat control and hygiene management. This exam covers everything that is important for a professional. I hope you grow as a chef who can create not only delicious and visually appealing dishes, but also tasty, beautiful, and safe meals. All of us faculty and staff strongly wish and always guide our students. If you aspire to be a chef in Kyoto, Japan, please enroll in our school.